Welcome to the Guide to Fidelity Debit Card, a comprehensive tutorial designed to help you navigate the features and benefits of this financial tool. The Fidelity Debit Card is a convenient and secure way to access your Fidelity account and make purchases, get cash, and manage your finances. First, let's start with the basics. The Fidelity Debit Card is linked to your Fidelity account, allowing you to draw funds directly from your account to make purchases or withdraw cash. This card can be used anywhere that accepts Visa debit cards, making it a versatile and widely accepted payment method. To get started with your Fidelity debit card, you will need to activate it by calling the phone number provided or by logging into your Fidelity account online. Once activated, you can begin using your card to make purchases, pay bills, and get cash from ATMs. One of the key benefits of the Fidelity debit card is its convenience. You can use your card to make purchases online, over the phone, or in person, and you can also use it to get cash from ATMs additionally. The Fidelity debit card offers zero liability protection, which means you are not responsible for unauthorized transactions. Another important feature of the Fidelity debit card is its security. The card is equipped with chip technology, which provides an additional layer of security and protection against fraud. You can also set up account alerts to notify you of any suspicious activity on your account. To manage your Fidelity debit card, you can log into your Fidelity account online or through the mobile app. From there, you can check your account balance, view transaction history, and set up account alerts. You can also use the mobile app to deposit checks, pay bills, and transfer funds. Best practices for using your Fidelity debit card include keeping your card and account information secure, monitoring your account activity regularly, and reporting any suspicious activity to Fidelity immediately. You should also keep your card in a safe place and avoid sharing your account information with others. In conclusion, the Fidelity debit card is a convenient and secure way to access your Fidelity account and manage your finances. By following the steps outlined in this guide and using your card responsibly, you can take advantage of the many benefits it has to offer. Remember to always keep your account information secure and monitor your account activity regularly to ensure the security of your finances.